Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we're going to learn the word
niemand,
Hi Alex.
Niemand.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
niemand,
means nobody or no one in English. It's used quite frequently in everyday conversation, especially when you want to say that there isn't a person present or involved. Just be careful, though, as it might seem similar to the English neither, which has a different meaning.
So, if I wanted to say nobody is here, would I say
Niemand ist hier.
Exactly. You've got it. In this case,
niemand,
is a pronoun, and it doesn't have a plural form since it refers to no one at all.
Oh, so it's always singular.
Yes, and remember that.
niemand,
Is a masculine noun, so you would say.
der niemand,
But since it means nobody, we often don't refer to it in that way.
How do I use?
Niemand.
In different tenses or forms.
Good question. Since
niemand,
is a pronoun, it doesn't change form like verbs do. But if we think of it in a sentence, you could say in the past,
niemand war hier,
which means nobody was here. And in the perfect tense, you would say,
niemand ist gekommen,
meaning nobody has come.
So, both sentences are about nobody being present.
Exactly. You can also use it in imperative, like saying,
niemand sagt etwas,
which means nobody says anything, but that's a bit less common.
What's the origin of the word?
Niemand.
niemand,
Comes from Middle High German, where it was originally,
niemand,
meaning no man. The components of the word can be traced back to meaning no and,
Mann,
meaning man or person. Over time, it evolved into the modern usage we have today.
That's really interesting. I didn't know that it had such deep roots. Can we break down the word a bit more?
Sure. The word
niemand,
can be split into two parts, the prefix meaning no and the root,
Mann,
which means man or person. So, together it literally means no person.
That makes it easier to remember.
Now, let's look at some similar words. For example, with the prefix you have,
nichts,
which means nothing, and,
nimmer,
which means never. With the root,
Mann,
theirs,
Mensch,
which means human or person. You can also think of
jemand,
meaning someone as its opposite.
Jemand.
Is like the opposite of.
Niemand.
Exactly. You can also find words like
Mann,
meaning man and
Menschen,
meaning people as related terms.
Can we use
Niemand.
in some real-life situations?
Of course. Imagine you're at a party and you want to say nobody is dancing. You could say,
niemand tanzt.
Niemand tanzt.
I like that.
or if you're at school and want to express that nobody understands the homework, you could say,
Niemand versteht die Hausaufgaben.
That's great. So, I could say,
Niemand versteht die Hausaufgaben.
perfect. And if you're waiting for someone and they're late, you can say,
Niemand ist gekommen.
Niemand ist gekommen.
got it.
now, remember the gender hint for.
Niemand.
Since it's masculine, you can think of the ending.
Mann.
To remember that it's masculine.
Oh, so if it ends in,
Mann.
it's masculine.
Exactly. And for a mnemonic image, picture someone standing alone in a crowd saying, niemand, to emphasize that they're all alone.
Are there any common phrases or collocations with
Niemand.
Yes. You often hear phrases like,
Niemand weiß.
meaning nobody knows, or
Niemand hört.
meaning nobody hears.
those are useful?
Just a note, don't confuse
Niemand.
with,
Keiner.
which also means nobody, but is often used in a more informal context.
Can you give me some example sentences with
Niemand.
Sure. Here's one.
Niemand hat angerufen.
Which means nobody called. And another.
Niemand mag das Wetter heute.
Meaning nobody likes the weather today.
I like how they sound.
Here's one more.
Niemand kann das glauben.
Which translates to nobody can believe that.
This is fun. Can you quiz me on what we've learned?
Absolutely. First question, what does
Niemand.
mean?
It means nobody.
Correct. Next, can you give me a past tense sentence with?
Niemand.
Niemand war hier.
Perfect. And what's the opposite of?
Niemand.
That would be
Jemand.
Right again. Now, what's the prefix in?
Niemand.
it's.
Great. Last question, how do you say nobody came in German?
Niemand ist gekommen.
You nailed it.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about
Niemand.
today.
I'm glad to hear that, Sam. Remember,
Niemand.
is a handy word to express when there is no one around. Keep practicing, and you'll be using it fluently in no time.
I will. Thanks again for your help.